Today I'm going to try and forge a pair of glasses. Hopefully they're not going to turn out too heavy, as they are going to be made of solid steel. Let's just have a good crack at it. I'm going to make the glasses out of 3 pieces of material. So this is the first piece, which is going to be the front section of the glasses with the 2 eye holes. And so I've marked out a section there, which I can punch, widen out, and create a circle to look through. Here I'll create a bit of like a nose bridge thingy and then punch the other eye over here. I've left a bit of material on the end as I'm gonna, for the arms, I'm gonna do 2 arms and then probably tenon them on to this main front piece, which I've just flattened out a bit of 12mm square to get this section of bars. I didn't have any in stock, but anyway, let's get to it. Just a simple slot punch and I'll walk the line down the length of the bar. If I can find my marks. Making sure just to take it off so it cools down. I've punched through the hole, however the edge is quite ragged, and so I'm going to take a file on it. I might have to open it out a little bit more, and then take a file on it and just clean up that inside edge. The hole is looking very clean. I'm going to come on here, I think, before I punch the next one or shape that one. I'll come on just in between where the 2 eyes are going to be and reduce the area of that so that I can then bend that into the nose bridge bit, if that makes sense. Time to open up this ring a little bit more so it's a bit more rounded. This half of the glasses is done. I ended up taking a little bit more material in here for the bridge of the glasses, just so we could get that nice shape so it, goes on your nose. I've marked out where the next hole needs to be punched and then shaped. So we have 2 eye holes, I suppose. But that's just the same process, so I'll do that off camera and then I'll show you it again as a finished piece. As a finished front piece, that is. We've still got the arms to do. Second hole is all punched through now. It's looking pretty nice. They're a bit wide and a bit big, but I think they'll still work. I'll cut it off from the bar, and we need to drill 2 holes in here for the tenons, which I need to make, which is going to be the tenons on the arms of the glasses. So I'll make the arms first, actually. Cut it off, drill the holes to the size that I make the tenons to, and rivet it all together. To make the arms, I'm going to use a little bit of 4mm round, just so they're nice and light. Putting a slight point on the end, just so we get that sort of that shape, and then flatten it down. That's what I mean by the pointed shape. That's the arm. I need to bend it now, but that's sort of the profile of one of the arms of the glasses. Just put a little bend on it over the horn, so it'll hook over your ear. And that'll do. So I've got to make another one of these. I'll do that now. Here are the two arms for the glasses, which are going to be riveted on, tenoned on to that front piece. But because they're 4mm and I want to forge, well, I want to create a tenon on the end of these, I think at 4mm they're so small that it's just going to be really hard and fiddly to forge them. I think I'm going to file them on instead, so it's just a little bit easier and hopefully I don't mess them up. I finished this tenon on this first piece, so I need to do one on the other arm. And I was doing it just with this file, and so it has a side there which is ground off, so there's no teeth on it, unlike this side. And so we can use that just to create a shoulder, as it then doesn't cut into the material that way and only cuts around the tenon area, creating a nice sharp shoulder. Got all the pieces, so it's time for the assembly. I've centre punched 2 holes on either end of this central piece, but I need to drill those. So these tenons are about 3mm. I'll drill those to 3mm, heat the tenons up, clamp that in the vise, that over the top, rivet it all together so it's all connected and an actual pair of glasses. So, let's see if these glasses actually fit. I haven't tried them on yet. This is the first time. A bit tight, weirdly. I thought they were going to be a bit big. Oh. Yeah. Probably made for somebody with a bit of a wider head or wider eyes. But you could wear them down. Rather nice. A bit big, bit clunky. But they're alright, aren't they? It's a nice little thing to try and make. A bit hard to get on, weirdly. Anyway, thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you on the next one.